Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and that your day is going good as mine and that you are in the best of health. We've been hearing about Moderna, Pfizer, and some of the other ones that are out there, but there's one that they're still offering and giving out to the veterans that want it in the Dominican Republic. It's called Sinovac, something to that effect. SINOVAC. And before you take this shot, if I was you, I would investigate it very, very thoroughly, because my understanding is it actually gives you COVID. And my information and my sources that are still in the Dominican Republic that I talk to and reach out, it has not reached the clinic yet, the Relocate clinic. So, some places it has. COVID-19 shot situation worldwide. Taking the China shot, and not knowing what's in it. Okay, and also for all YouTubers that wants to travel the whole world, you cannot get into Europe with this China shot. So it is something for you to consider as you travel and make your travel arrangements. You that are still at the clinic at Velvet in Santiago, Dominican Republic, you soldiers that are still attending the clinic. You know, I'm always going to look out for my soldier friends, always. They will offer you the shot, and the shot most likely won't come to the clinic. They'll shuttle you over to where the shot is given. Okay, and this is the same shot that they're going to be giving all the soldiers. And if I was you, I would go to Puerto Rico, okay, or jump on a plane, go to Florida, get the Pfizer. Okay, so if you got to take something good. Don't take anything that might cause your health to deteriorate. The VA hospital in Vegas, I sent out a request for them too concerning the shots. Never heard back from them. So my best choice here would just go to Walgreens to get it for free. Okay, get the shot for free. Wait a couple weeks. Okay, 2 or 3 weeks. Go back, get the second shot. One, done. Okay, so that is something when all these veterans are waiting to get the shot, and it's terrible. And let me run this by you. I went to see my mother. She's going to be 92 years old next month, and I went to see her. And when I first got to the front door, everything was all, I felt like I was in some type of surgical ward. They had me walk up to this machine to take my temperature and make sure my temperature was right. Then I had to wait about 30 minutes or so just to see my mother. Okay, so the attendant finally came and got me, let me see my mother. My mother was excited, she was happy to see me, but the visit was only for 1 hour. They would not let me stand there longer than an hour because they said they had to get that room, clean that room up, and get it ready for the next guest that was coming in that same room. Now, when I got to this clinic, I had no idea that my mother didn't get the shot, or actually nobody in there got the shot. So when I did my investigation and I made that phone call, they said, well, yeah, we're in the process of doing it, and they're gonna give them Johnson & Johnson. So everybody gonna get one shot, one and done. And sometimes they just offer certain shots, and sometimes they offer other shots. But basically, as it relates to the veterans that I reached out, that I talked to, okay, if you go to this clinic that Velvet going to shuttle you to, you go get that China shot. Okay, you may better make sure that you're in the best of health, and I always try to say it on the channel, okay, because you don't know what is in it and what they're putting into your body. So you got to do the research for yourself, okay? And if you're not sure, jump on a plane and come to the United States, okay? Get it for free. It is what it is. So just want to run that by you quick, because if you're retired, ain't no sense to being retired, being sick, dropping dead, you know, and you don't know what's happening, you don't know what's going on. So just want to let you know what's cracking, what's going on, so you can be aware of what's happening around you, and you won't be caught. Because I always tell people, the life you save just may be your own. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription, notification, thumbs up, and leave some comments there. Okay? And you that are there in the country, Dominican Republic, and you run into some Pfizer, take it. So, until the next video.